Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, new setting. We hit 10,000 subscribers. I haven't posted in a month, but whilst I haven't posted, I've been seeing my subscribers hit over 10,000 subscribers. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been rocking with me for all these years that I've been on YouTube. My first video, I'm going to put a clip in here from my first ever video. It's terrible. But my hair has just blossomed since my whole journey, and now I'm doing more business-based videos. So I want to thank everyone who subscribed in relation to my business side of things and my hair side of things. I love you guys. I'm so grateful. And yes, now that I've hit 10k, I feel like anything else is just a bonus. I've always wanted to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, so grateful, so thankful. And in return, one lucky subscriber of mine is gonna win a bundle of products, hair accessories, hair products, even a consultation with me. And the winner gets to choose whether it's a business consultation or a hair consultation. So if you're here for mainly the business content, you'll still win something in regards to business. You'll win my book, Get My Curls Back, and everything else listed will be in the description box down below, along with the rules on how to enter. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on the 1st of November 2020, and I'll be announcing the winner on my Instagram page. So I need you to go and follow my Instagram at ukcurlygirl, because I'll announce the winner on my Instagram page, on my story most likely. But on the 1st of November, just go check out my page and see where I've announced the winner. Good luck to everyone. This is open internationally because I know I have viewers all around the world. So one lucky person will win a huge bundle of products in celebration of my 10k subscriber. But I hope this inspires you guys to do the same. You can hit 10k. If I can hit 10k in over, I think 6 or 5 years that I've been doing this, then I know that you guys can do it too. Just keep consistent and create content that you love and that is going to help other people. Again, thank you guys. Make sure you follow the instructions in the description box below to win. Good luck, and I will catch you in my next video as usual. Thank you guys. Thanks all 10,000 plus of you. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.